Hey everyone, it's Dee. I'm a current beauty pro for Shoppers Drug Mart Femme Prix, but I'm also reapplying for 2021, and this is my application video showing you how to get that perfect eyeliner. Honestly, I'm a little bit shaky because I had too much coffee, so I'm going to use a piece of tape that I have stuck up and down on my sweatpants to make it a little bit less sticky. That way I'm not going to be pulling and tugging on my eye skin when I remove it later. And I'm just going to use this as a guide. And as you can see, my tape follows the way my lower lash line naturally goes. So I'm just going to use some pencil eyeliner. This is from Urban Decay in the color Smog. And I'm very roughly going to sketch some liner on. And then when you get to the tape, you just use it as your guide. Taking an eyeshadow in a similar color and a smudger brush, you are going to just gently smudge and buff that out, creating the shape you want for your eyeliner and perhaps even eyeshadow. Remove any fallout using a micellar water cotton pad and then clean up the line using some concealer. I like to do my liquid eyeliner after the rest of my makeup is done because then I get that nice clean edge that I want, and it acts as a guide as exactly where I want to place my eyeliner. So one of the tips is, instead of doing it in one big sweep, do it in little skips and steps and then connect them. That way you have a lot more control and you're going to avoid making any mistakes. Just stamp it along, and following that natural line we had from our tape, I'm just going to connect and fill that little triangle. And there you go, that's your winged liner. You can add your lashes and or mascara, and I'm going to show you the final finished look. That's it for me, guys. I hope you learned some interesting tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side.